What's up, home slice? Lucas here. So if you're a beginner flipper and you're afraid of going backwards, in my opinion, the hack flip is probably the best and fastest way of getting over that going backwards fear. Pay attention. By the end of this video, I am 100% possibly certain that you might be able to do a hack flip. But you gotta focus. Now, if the back flip's like finding the love of your life and getting married, the hack flip's like online dating, all right? So just like writing the description for your profile, you keep it simple. That's exactly how we're gonna learn our dominant side. We're keeping it simple. I want you to do a standing 360 and determine which way the 360 felt better. Ooh. Boom. I like that way. Let me try the other way. Not so much. I like going this way. Oh, I like going this way. That's towards my left arm, okay? So that means my left side is gonna be my dominant side for this move, and that's the side we're gonna go over, all right? If you like going this way, towards the right arm, well, then your right side's your dominant side regarding the spin. You don't have to be right or left-handed. This is different. This is like spinning. Don't get your job confused with your hobbies. So minute number 2 for the hack flip, we're gonna take our dominant side, arm, hand. You're gonna point it in. Now what I want you to do is keep that hand still, pretend like it's on something. You can even put something down if you want, and you can walk around it like this, keeping it pointed that way, okay? You see how that works? So this is like you're sending out a bunch of messages, but you're not getting any replies. You're thinking, am I just wasting my time here? Like what? You're not wasting your time. Let me show you why. What I want you to do in this second minute is I want you to squat down, have that hand now on the ground, and now we're gonna walk around it. Show you this way. Squat down, hand. I want you to start, popping a little bit. Start popping, okay? So, like that. Pop it up and around. You're starting to have more pictures. Squat down, pop it around. And then what I want you to do is start thrusting those hips, tossing your arm, your other arm, over the shoulder, like this. And then keep progressing that. Keep tossing that arm, thrusting those hips until you get over this more, okay? Wait, hold on. She's got way too many cats. This ain't working for you. We're moving on to minute 3 with option number 2. Option number 2, starting from square 1. What I want you to do is you're gonna take your dominant arm to the side, facing in like this, okay? You're gonna do a cartwheel, not gymnastic style, but wheel style like this, okay? See, like this? And it does not have to be pretty. You're gonna have your dominant hand go down, but you're gonna try to keep your other hand off. Ready? How is this ever gonna progress to a hack flip? All right, just relax. Watch this very carefully. Instead of being sideways, just turn a little bit away from this hand, okay? Just a little bit away, but keep it in the same position. Then I do my cartwheel. Turn it a little bit more. You told the first girl it wasn't her, it was you. Second girl, you guys are on your first date, okay? Or vice versa. Or maybe you're a player and you chose both. What we're gonna do for minute 4 is we're gonna start to jump. So our feet are actually gonna be off before our hand touches. You wanna have that hand turned in the front like this. When it goes over like that. Watch, when it goes over and around, look it. It's facing inwards. That's why we have it facing inwards in the back. Not only is it good to progress slowly around, it's also how you want it when you actually go for this move with the hand touching down. If you wanna slowly progress and do it, watch, just go. And start to jump. What if you want a video chat before you meet in person first? Instead of just going backwards and going, progressing into it, is you can start sideways, just like I showed you guys. So what you want to do is you want to wipe it, wipe it, wipe it. See that? And just like that, video chat's going good. Let's meet at Caribou. And she's like, I want to go to Big B. And then you compromise. Not totally sideways, not totally backwards, right in the middle. And you wipe it, all right? Now she eventually wins, okay, because you're giving in to her lust and you're all the way backwards, okay? Moving on to minute 5. Things are getting serious. She wants to merge bank accounts with you. We're gonna slowly lighten up on our dominant hand as it goes over and touches the ground until we can fully get it off. And just like you have eyes on your bank account all the time, with mobile apps and such, you can have eyes on that ground all the time with the hack flip. And then finally, lighten up. and then boom, you get a notification on your phone, your bank account zero, but you put her in jail. That's how the hack flip works, baby. So all we did with simple progressions, we determined our dominant side, we slowly figured out multiple ways to go over that shoulder and turn it more and more backwards. We created more of a jump, and then eventually we removed our hand and we were free off the ground, landing the hack flip. Now the hack flip, you know, it's not the most conventional flip, but doing that a few times will help you get over the fear of going backwards. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to doing backflips. In my opinion, it's probably the easiest way to progress going backwards. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was entertaining and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, more videos coming out. Peace, you all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.